What's up YouTube, Tristan Vapes here. In this video I'm going to show you an app that can bring your photos to life. Here is Pixaloop. Okay, so Pixaloop is an app that allows you to animate and bring your pictures to life. It is free, but there's also a pro version that comes with additional features. I personally don't like paying for apps, so everything that I'm going to show you is going to be off of the free version. With the free version, you can still make some pretty rad content, so let's check it out. First off, you want to grab a picture of your choice. Then, let's head over to the animation tab. You have the path tab, which allows you to create the movement in your photos. Then you have anchors. Anchors will allow you to stop the animation and it will define the area you want animated. Next up is the remove tool. You can use this tool to remove a path or an anchor with a simple tap. To remove everything, all you have to do is just tap and hold the screen. There is also a speed tab, which allows you to adjust the speed of your animation. Lastly, you have the freeze and unfreeze tabs. The freeze tab will allow you to select an area that you do not want animated. And then with the unfreeze tool, think about it as an eraser for your freeze selection. You can utilize these arrows here if you also need to undo or redo something. And here is also a pause and play button if you need to stop or play the animation. Now going back to the main page, you have the loop tab. This tab will allow you to change the movement of the animation. Next up, you have the sky tab, which will apply stunning sky animations. Then we have the camera fix tab, which will allow you to add cinematic effects with presets. Last but not least, we have the overlay tab. This will enable you to add an overlay effect over your photos. These overlays are pretty nice and you can adjust the opacity on the overlays by using the slider. After you're done, you can export it and save it as a video, or you can share it on Facebook, Instagram, or Snapchat. You can go up to 60 seconds max if you need. Real quick, I'm going to show you an example of a finished project just so you have an idea. This app is pretty rad and I really like what Pixaloop did here. Now the rest is up to you and your creativity. Alright YouTube, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. There's also a little notification bell, and if you hit that, you'll be notified every time I make another upload. I also post daily on Instagram, so if you guys want to check out my daily content, please check me out over there at Tristan_Vapes. And you guys know what I say, keep it cloudy.